Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete your mention on your Instagram story after posting. So if you guys have basically posted a specific story and you've mentioned somebody on there and you prefer to go ahead and basically delete that mention that you have mentioned on that person. So how do you basically go ahead and do this? Well, what we could actually do in order for us to delete this is to go ahead and launch that specific story. And then what I want you guys to do is, well, basically there's no, option for us to basically delete this as of the current moment, but the quickest way we're going to do this is to tap on this three dots on more, and gonna go ahead and tap on your story settings, and then hide that story from basically the specific person that you have actually tagged on your story. So you're gonna go ahead and basically do that easily, and then delete that person from your story, and so that basically whenever you tag them, they all won't see it altogether, even if you have already tagged them on your story. And that is all for this video, guys. That is how you guys can easily delete a mention on your Instagram story after posting. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.